Today, Tennessee's governor said students returning to school buildings in a few weeks is medically sound, and he called it the preferred option.
Yeah, tonight, school administrators across Tennessee are going through the governor's just released safe reopening plan. The governor's plan emphasizes the need to identify and isolate people who are sick and track down the people with whom they've had close contact.
Under the governor's plan, if a child is sick, parents should not send their kids to school. Now, that may be an obvious point to many, but it's a point the state felt needed to be made in today's announcement. If the child is diagnosed with COVID-19, the governor's plan says parents will be asked to help the Department of Health by contacting the child's close contacts, so those people can isolate for maybe as long as 14 days.
BIANCA leads off our team coverage tonight at 11.
Yeah, she's in Elizabethton with reaction to the governor's new plan. Bianca?
Josh and Sarah, one important thing to note following Governor Bill Lee's press briefing this afternoon is that the decision to go back to school ultimately remains with local school districts, just like here in Elizabethton.
We are encouraged about where we are today and the process of getting our schools back open and getting our kids back in the classroom.
Tennessee Governor Bill Lee making it clear he thinks the best place for children is in school.
A reasonable expectation is there will be positive cases in schools. That is something that is going to happen. What is important is that we have all of the safety and health protocols in place to ensure that folks have the resources they need.
One resource: every classroom will receive a full year's worth of hand sanitizer, disinfecting wipes, gloves and masks.
I know that he said that would be a year's supply, so I'm curious to see how that actually plays out over that time period, because again, you think about classrooms, you think about students coming in and out each period. Again, in a high school or junior high setting, that's a lot of cleaning every day.
Elizabethton Director of Schools Richard Van Huss announced last week the school district will start staggered reopening on August 10th and will discuss further reopening plans with the school board after that first week of school.
Now, it's certainly going to help that we have the virtual piece in place, and so if students are home, assuming they're well enough to interact to a certain level, then that will give them that opportunity.
Anyone who tests positive at school will have to quarantine for 14 days. Anyone who's come in contact will have to self-isolate for 10 days.
That's definitely a concern and a challenge moving forward on how you balance that, especially if it's in and out. So, and it's a challenge for the students, and it's also a challenge for the instructors as well.
Part of the governor's safe reopening plan mentioned today text messaging as a way of communicating positive cases in school systems. Here in Elizabethton, the director of schools told me that they're still trying to figure out a way to communicate with the community when they have a positive case in schools. Live in Elizabethton, BIANCA, News Channel 11.